Baby girl, I wanna love you like nobody else ever did. I want to be the only one you wanna talk to, the one you call your buddy. Girl, I wanna be that guy, only one that you want to see.
Hey guys, welcome back to Echo's Beauty. It's your girl Laura. Today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to do a face mask because coronavirus is real. I got this pattern from So Much More. You just have to download the pattern. You don't have to pay for it or anything. You just have to download it. So the materials that you'll be needing is a sewing machine, of course. And you need your fabric of your choice, the fabric of your choice. And you also need a lining fabric. It could be anything. You could use cotton, lyocell, anything for the inner part. You also need some elastic. I got this from Amazon. I'll put the link down in the description box. Yeah, I'll put all the links of this items in the description box apart from the fabrics because those ones I got in the store. Yeah, so let's get started. I have my fabrics cut. I have 2 of the actual fabric and also 2 of the lining. If you don't have extra fabric just laying around, you can use like a t-shirt or something of that sort. You will want to place your fabrics wrong sides together, so whenever you flip it, it's the right side that's showing. So just go ahead and stitch on this edge. Stitch on the round edge and do the same for this one as well. Stitch on this edge. I'm gonna go ahead and pin it just so it's easier to sew. I have this part sewn. I just go ahead and open it up and mark wherever my elastic will go. On the fabric, on the pattern, sorry, it tells you where the elastic goes. So right here, there's a mark. So I just place that on my fabric. I'll place those same marks on my fabric. So here and here and here. And also, you want to do that for the other side as well. Here and here. And for the elastic, you need about 6 inches. You need 6 inches of elastic. Take your lining and open it as well, and place the good side and place the good side on the good side of the fabric as well. So it should be good sides together or right sides together, and just pin and just pin. Wow, you really made the whole house breakfast. While you're doing this step, go ahead and also pin your elastic wherever you had marked it. So take your elastic, just place it inside of where you have marked, close it up, just like this, and pin. And take the other loose end and do the same process. So after you have this side done, you'll want to go ahead and repeat the same process for this other side. So, okay. After you have everything pinned, you'll want to go ahead and sew all around, but just leave a little bit of a gap so you can flip the fabric to the good side. Also, don't forget to backstitch because that's important. After you have everything sewn, and also remember to leave the gap to fit the mask, you just want to go ahead and clip the excess fabric, clip the corners, so just like right here, here, and here. This prevents the fabric to be very bulky after you flip it, and it'll be easier to iron and sew, etc. Now I'm gonna go ahead and flip the fabric. So I went ahead and I flipped the fabric. Looks like this so far. You have your elastic, and then the inside of the mask and the outside of the mask. That's how it looks so far. I like a nicer finish, and also we still have the gap, so just go ahead and sew all across the mask for a cleaner finish. Thanks guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, Uzuri Closet is selling masks like this, so if you try to make it and you can't make it, Uzuri Closet got you. I'll leave the link down below. Yeah, I'll leave the link down below so you can just click. And I shall see you guys next time. Toodaloo.